Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. Today's video is going to be very important because especially when market did open up today in the early half an hour or something, I was tracking Nifty very closely, especially in the extreme short-term charts, which was in the 5-minute and a 3-minute chart. What I noticed was after opening, after today's opening, there was some bit of buying which came up. All right. You can see there is some sort of buying which it came up till 18,400, 413. And from there, you can see there has been a consistent selling. This was the first fall, then a small pullback, not much worth of. Again, a sell-off, consolidation, again a sell-off. So overall, if you see what has happened is after today's open, it has been a continuously fall. Now, yesterday's close was not that bad, but then why today's close is looking such bad, especially in the daily time frame charts? We'll try to concentrate on that. According to my analysis, it seems that nothing is that wrong in the overall state of trend in Nifty spot. But the only thing is that if you check Nifty spot in the weekly time frame charts, we can see that back to back, there have been two green candles. I'm talking about this particular candle, and then there has been one candle over here. In between, we have an inverted hammer. Now, this current week's hammer, I'm not inculcating as of now because only 2 days have been passed and we still have to see 3 days of trading sessions going ahead. Okay. So it clearly means that there was sufficient amount of buying, but only reason for this sell-off, which happened today, is this particular level. From this level, you can see there is a large wick over here at 18,450, 18,464 band. And one more thing is that in the daily time frame charts, the prices are slightly overstretched. And if you closely watch RSI in connection to the price, whenever prices have tried to go higher and when RSI has tried to go above 70, prices have tried to push back itself and come down. Similar thing is visible over here. As soon as the RSI goes above 70, prices are trying to correct, which means the higher levels are getting rejected by Nifty spot. And the first level of support, according to me, is this in the hourly and in the daily time frame charts. The level, according to me, is 18,240 or 18,250. If tomorrow we close below this level, okay, if tomorrow we do close below this level, then the next support level could be around 18,190.95, and probably after that, the next level could be 18,115 or maybe even lower. Now, some people will be very much surprised why suddenly a sell-off of more than 100 points has happened today, because you can see Nifty spot has closed more than 100 points down and Bank Nifty has closed 168 points down. The only thing which is visible to me is that the rally has been fairly consistent, and only thing is that the prices are a little bit overbought, nothing more than that, nothing more than that. All right. If we check Bank Nifty, then Bank Nifty is, in terms of state of trend, much better and much stronger in terms of Nifty. Some people will say that there is a negative divergence over here. Well, according to me, this is not a very strong negative divergence also. And the candle which has been made today is also not that bearish. If we get a bearish candle tomorrow, then that needs to be seen. But if you check Nifty spot, it's a totally different thing, because Nifty spot's candle has, completely engulfed the previous day's real body. So what has happened is Nifty is completely different and Bank Nifty is completely different. Although if we do fall tomorrow due to the overall correction in the market, then this is the support band which might provide some respite to the Bank Nifty traders from 43,745 to 43,537. This is the entire support band for Bank Nifty spot. Okay. Now, if you concentrate on other sectors as well, PSU banking is overall looking very strong, but just because of today's sell-off in Bank Nifty and Nifty, you can see there has been some sort of sell-off in the PSU banking stocks also. Metals, you can see the base is good, but there is not much pickup. There is not much momentum on the upside. Otherwise, probably in metals, it's the right time to start a new rally. Let's see what happens ahead. Auto stocks also, you can see they were running up very nicely, but suddenly a one large candle, probably selling was witnessed in the stock of Maruti back to back 2 days, and even little bit in Bajaj Auto. I guess Bajaj Auto has also rallied pretty nicely, and it's time to trail your stop losses in this stock. And a little bit of consolidation or a profit booking will certainly be nice for the stock as of now, because I am not in favor of vertical rallies for a very long time. IT is still weak according to me, and some sort of weakness is visible over here. And if you see other sectors also like finance, you again have a negative divergence over here. FMCG is fairly overstretched. We need to see what happens in the earnings of ITC and how the stocks reacts in terms of price movement. Again, consumer stocks, you can see profit booking today. Infra stocks also, they have been seeing some sort of selling pressure from these higher levels of what 54.90, 54.86. And even in pharma and reality, there is nothing different. And in reality, I would say one thing, that although in a daily chart, it looks very, very strong. If you check in the hourly time frame charts, we can see RSI is almost at 81 or 82. So traders who are swing traders, especially, and holding stocks like TLF, you should be booking partial profits in case if you haven't booked initially. And if you have booked partial profits, you can hold this stock with a trailing stop loss. All right. So as of now, the overall trend is still up, and we need to wait and watch how price reacts tomorrow and probably day after tomorrow. And again, just understand this is not a prediction or something, but in case if we close below this particular support, which is at 18,240, 18,250, then a small correction or a small profit booking will be visible in the overall market. All right. So till then, trade safely and share this video with as many traders as you can. Take care, guys.